everyone, my name is Tamara, and today I want to show you how to navigate to and use our Argus portal. Argus is our digital database where we store all the information for our artifacts, as well as pictures and other relevant information. What you want to do is go ahead and go to your favorite search browser, type in San Bernardino County Museum, and navigate to our website. Once you're on our website, go to the Collections tab, and then one more time into Explore Our Collection. This should pull up our Argus portal. Now, we worked all year long to put this together for you in a beautiful, seamless, user-friendly experience. So here you're able to keyword search by really anything. You can try, as we suggest here, photographs, nest, stone tools, anything like that will pull up a collection for you. If you're having a hard time deciding what you want to look for, you can go ahead and go to Browse by Collection. This will pull up all the different types of collections that we have, and then you can pick on whichever one interests you most. Once you click on it, you want to scroll down, and this will show the artifacts that are within that collection. Again, don't wait for a new screen to pop up. What it will do is it will change the query down below. You can see all the clothing and textiles that we have. Now, once you click into an object record, this will show you a little bit more detail. Because we're a museum and we do have sensitive information, we don't put every piece of detail we have. So if you're interested, you can always grab the object ID and go ahead and email the appropriate curator or staff. Something else you can do is navigate to On Exhibit. This will pull up a list of our current exhibits and the artifacts that are within. For example, Military in the Mojave at our Victor Valley site has all these artifacts. You can see the total number there. And again, navigate to what interests you, and you have all the information and photographs that you need. Something else that's really helpful is this button down here. If you want to share this object record with someone or a group of records that you searched, you can click this link and it will create a shareable link for you. So now this is what you can paste into an email address or send it to someone, or use our From To fields and it'll send an email for you. You can also filter the search by only records that have images. So if I click on that, it will remove anything that doesn't have a picture yet. Because we are constantly working on inventory, sometimes we haven't gotten to the pictures yet. Something else I want to show you is the advanced search option. So say I want to search for stone tools, but I don't want anything that's an axe. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and select not an axe. So this functions like normal search tools. So if I go ahead and do search, this is going to pull up all the stone tools but are not axes. You can also do an advanced search by cultural group or the medium. So say you want photography, paper goods, wooden objects. You can type that in here and it should pull up all the wooden objects that we have. Now, Argus is not comprehensive. Like I said, we have so many artifacts and inventory is an ongoing process. So if you are searching for something and you can't find it, go ahead and talk to the appropriate curator and we'll try to answer any questions that you have. So I hope this was helpful and have fun browsing our collection. Talk to you soon.